Simple past tense. That's very important to all the students. And this is your sir. And in this video, I'll cover your simple past tense. And that's very important to all the students. So, my dear friends, you must write this all things on your note copy so that you can remember it very good. So let's see the first phase of this your first tense, and that's very important to all the students. Well guys, this is your simple past tense. So let's see its definition. Simple past tense is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. It's called simple past tense. For example, Ram killed a tiger. He broke the pen. As we know, there is one helping verb in this tense, and my dear friends, one and this helping verb can run with any person, whether it is a singular and plural. Got it? And you know very well, it always take your second form of verb. For example, he went his school with bag. As we know that there are 6 sentences in a tense, so your first structure is given here. You must read this all things so that you can understand it very good. So subject plus second form of verb plus object, and you know very well S is your subject and O is your object. That's very important to know. So let's move on to understand it ahead. Welcome guys. So here is a sentence. You must read this all things so that you can read this so that you can understand it very good. So first sentence is affirmative. Affirmative. He killed a lion in the forest. He did not kill a lion in the forest. Did he kill a lion in the forest? Did he not kill a lion in the forest? And the second last one is did he kill a lion in the forest? My dear friends, in is your missing, so you must write here so that this sentence can be right. And last one is your WH questions negative. Why did he not kill a lion in the forest? So my dear friends, in is also missing here. You must mention the in so that it can be correct sentence. So my dear friends, a structure is already given here, and that one is your simple past tense. So you must go through this one so that you can make the correct sentence. So let's move on. Well guys, welcome once again. Simple past tense, which is also used to tell a story. Yes my dear friends. For example, last month I went to Delhi and I met to my friends. They told me to stay with them, and we went to room together and we cooked delicious dinner and we took that together, etc. You may create these kinds of sentences in your life. And the next one is your, let's see, find out the error and make them correct sentence. So what is your first question? Rahul did not ask me to stay at home. So my dear friends, this is your negative sentence, and negative sentence does not take your past participle, so we have to change this past participle into the present participle. So what will be your present participle? Present participle will be your ask. So ask is your right. Let's talk about the second questions. Because I did not help him at school. So my dear friend, this is also your negative sentence. So it will take your present participle, not your past participle. So what is your past participle? Help is your past participle. So rest of the questions for you guys. So till then, have a fun and see you in the next video. Bye bye.